If we do look for baby cribs, what we find is a site like this where they are creating a logical URL. That is, instead of having programming language up in the URL, they're using keywords. This one doesn't use so many user-based keywords, but we understand where we are at. By brand, and Pally is the brand that we're looking at. So we know that we're on a baby cribs page, and if we look at the URL, it's very clear to see where we are at. Something else that I ask people is, which one would you rather type in to send to a friend? Would you rather type in this URL or the previous one from Target? Also, something that they are doing here is they are creating a file called a favicon, F-A-V-I-C-O-N. It's an icon file, and they load it into the root directory of the website. And whenever you have that favicon there, users of Firefox and also Internet Explorer, the latest version, it will automatically download this little favicon as people are using your website. It's a great way to get some branding on the user's browser, because if they bookmark the website, that favicon shows up inside their browser in their bookmarks. So it's a fantastic way of reinforcing your website and your brand. And so when a user is bookmarking multiple sites as they're shopping or looking for leads, and then they go back to their bookmarks, your brand shows up and they are able to see that. And you'll probably be one of the only ones on there so that people can easily remember it and it will immediately grab their attention. Now, some other questions here about CSS standards. As we talk about accessibility, these are always some questions that come up. The first one is, can validated code help you to rank higher? And then also, do sites using CSS rank higher? Believe it or not, these are actually sales propositions put out by a lot of SEO companies, that if you have validated code or you scrap your old site and create a new site in CSS, that these things are going to help you rank higher. And I really want to bring some education to this and some clarity in that these are both things that are important, but they're not critical to helping you rank higher. They have indirect benefits.